So what we have here is a transformation from f to g. So in order for me to understand what's actually taking place, I'm just going to look at the graph and try to graph some points and see what the difference is. So it looks like on f of x, when x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to 1. So and we're probably in the 8th grade you were taught x comma y, but now I want you to think in terms of x comma f of x. Because f of x is the value of y, but we're noting that it is a function value of x. In other words, 1 depends on the value of x. So now, if I look over here, to get the same f of x value, it looks like I changed x, right? So this is x comma f of x. So I'm curious, I noticed that when x equals 1 over here, it appears to be 4, right? So on this one, I've got 1 comma 4. But over here, it looks like it crosses 4 at 3. So this is 3 comma 4. So if I had to guess, I'm doing something to change the value of the x. So what am I doing? It looks like I'm shifting 2 units to the right. So now remember, that occurs inside the parentheses. X plus or minus a number, but 2 units to the right, what goes in here? It's the opposite, right? X minus 2. So that's what g of x is. F raised to the x minus 2. That's it.